I was pregnant with my second child, and I had acid reflux the entire pregnancy. And it kind of broke down the enamel on my teeth. 9 months later, I was pregnant with my daughter, and she took the calcium, and I broke my first tooth on ice cream. And from there, it went to abscesses, and then it went to a drug addiction.
When patient Somer came initially to my office, she was looking for hope, since she was rejected by other practitioners, and she was told that she is not a candidate for implants. This was due to her complex history and the severe jaw bone loss. After reviewing her medical history and the CT scan, I diagnosed her with severe maxillary bone atrophy, with less than 5 mm of remaining bone width, with multiple broken teeth causing infections and abscesses.
I've been clean from addiction almost 6 years. And I think that was the biggest thing, is I just wanted to feel better. Not even so much of looking different, I just wanted to feel better. My kids were starting to understand what was going on, so I had to change it. I didn't want my kids to not have their mom.
This was a challenging case. After consulting with the restorative dentist and the prosthetic lab, we were able to come up with a procedure plan in order to improve her quality of life and confidence.
I got a phone call. I believe I was at work. The receptionist told me that they were going to cover everything. I was happy, and then I started crying because it's a big deal.
I performed her reconstructive surgery, which included administering the general anesthesia, removing all her unrestorable teeth, treating her bone infection, and performing a split ridge bone procedure to allow me to increase the width of the remaining bone to be able to place the 4 implants as a foundation for the full arch restoration. All were performed in one visit. Seeing her smile with confidence and full of hope was truly rewarding.
To have them change my entire life, the way that I look at myself, the way my kids look at me, the way my fiance looks at me, I know that everybody who comes in here will walk out of here a different person. They have changed my entire life.